My concrete slab had sunk in front of my garage. So every time you drove in, you went up on this hump. And if my grandkids were here doing things on their scooters, well, then there's that big lump you got to go over. And I was afraid that was going to be a tripping hazard and it was going to get worse. And so that's why I opted to have it fixed. I called and an appointment was set up with Derek. Before that, I received a mailing detailing everything that Sure Dry does. That was a good thing for me because I'm a person who likes to know the why, not just what's going to be done, but why and how. He showed up, he took the measurements, he evaluated things, and he presented what my treatment options were for fixing this problem, which I appreciated. It wasn't just like, okay, here's what we got to do and that's it. You had options, which also then included cost options too. It's taken away a potential hazard. I like the fact that my concrete cracks were able to be fixed because that was a concern with water getting in, and they fixed the expansion joints, which had been bad. So it just made it safer, and I'm less worried about water being a problem.